Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to hide your status on the Wickr Me application, meaning that your friends won't see that you are available on this application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should wait till it's loaded in. It might take a few seconds. Then tap on the settings button down below and then click on your username at the top of the screen. Here down below you can see this show my status option. As you can see now, it is turned on, meaning that as it says in the middle of the screen, it shows to other people of the application that, or other users of the application, that you are online, so you are active. However, if you want to turn it off, just tap on this orange button and it won't be shown. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.